Hey guys, welcome back. Today in this video I will show you how to fix installation stopped error when installing games on Xbox. So for this guys, first method, you sign in to correct Xbox account. You sign in to correct Xbox account. And the second method, just open the control panel. Go to view by, select the category and select the network and internet and select the network and sharing center. Now select here change adapter settings. Right click on using network icon. Select the properties. Select here Internet Protocol version 4. Next, select the properties. And select here guys, use the following DNS server address. Select this and type here 8888 and 8844. After click on OK and close this. Now restart your computer. Hopefully guys it will fix your problem. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.